Delhi's history is not limited to Red Fort or Humayun's tomb or even Qutub Minar. There's much more Delhi has to offer. You just have to keep looking. So I'm in RK Puram today exploring a lesser known hidden gem of Delhi. It's called Wazirpur Monument Complex. As you push open the unassuming iron gate, it almost feels like stepping back in time. This is the entryway to Wazirpur tomb. What's wonderful is that it's accessible with a ramp, so people on wheelchairs can also explore this heritage gem comfortably. It's a cluster of monuments supposedly built around 14th or 15th century in Lodi or Tughlaq period. Though it is still not known exactly who these tombs belong to, but this much we know from the structure and from whatever literature we've read that this probably belongs to Lodi and Tughlaq period. Some historians believe it could be the resting place of a man named Wazir Khan and that this land may once have been his estate. Perhaps that's the reason behind the name. But there's absolutely no documentary evidence to confirm this. And that mystery is exactly what makes this place so intriguing. Stay with us till the end as we step inside this forgotten chapter of Delhi's history. These domed tombs and these crumbling walls were probably a part of a bigger medieval settlement. कुछ tombs preserved हैं और कुछ पुरानी दिल्ली की गलियों की वाइब देती हैं. Broken but beautiful. And one of the tombs also has remains of a mihrab. This is pointing towards Makkah, so probably this was used as a mosque at one point of time. Agrisin ki Baoli became very famous after it got featured in a Bollywood film. But apart from that, there are many Baolis that are still lesser known and hidden gems. So this is probably one of those Baolis. You know, it is very difficult to actually locate this, but thanks to Google Maps, we could reach here easily. This is probably the smallest and the simplest Baoli I've seen in Delhi. Definitely it was used as a water reservoir those days and people were using it for their day-to-day needs. But a lot of people don't even know about this Baoli, this step well that is here. So this step well has like 2 levels, not very deep. So we could go inside and then I assume if it had rained a lot in Delhi, this Baoli would be full of water too. Apart from this Baoli, there's also another Baoli that is even smaller and it looks more like a well to me. Apparently it's so deep, like, you know, no matter how deep you send your rope and bucket, you can't reach the water. So now they've covered this Baoli or well, whatever you call it. There are hardly any tourists here. The place is very peaceful, almost meditative. No wonder we see yoga groups doing yoga in the lawns. You know, you really need that kind of nature, calm and peace, tranquility to do yoga and to internalize and to do meditate. It's pretty meditative. And just to clear up a common misconception, despite the name, this monument is not located anywhere near Wazirpur in Delhi. You'll actually find it tucked away inside RK Puram in South Delhi. The nearest metro station is RK Puram on the Magenta line, making it pretty convenient if you're using public transport. For those of us driving, there isn't any dedicated parking space, but there's usually plenty of space to park around the monument's boundary and near the facing park. Another plus, there's absolutely no entry ticket. We can simply walk in and explore these centuries-old structures without spending a rupee. Also, we had a realization after coming here that Delhi's history is not limited to Red Fort or Humayun's tomb or even Qutub Minar. There's much more Delhi has to offer. You just have to keep looking. Be open to exploring new places, even in a bad weather like today. It's like, really, really very sultry and very humid weather. I've like wiped my face so many times, but then still, I thought there couldn't be a better use of this Sunday. This Google Local Guides meetup, and then they decided to meet up at Wazirpur Monument Complex. I had never even heard of it, but I'm very happy that I connected with these guys and I'm doing this exploration of Delhi with them. Let's meet some of the people from this group. Please introduce yourself.
I am Sonam.
I'm Gautam.
Sonam.
I'm Vipin.
Level 6.
I'm Siddharth. We are local guide, Delhi local guide.
And by the way, people who just read our blogs on Delhi Fundos should also know that we write on Google Maps as well. I'm also a Google Local Guides level 8 and very happy to be a part of community that likes to explore and share their information with their subscribers and friends and family. Big cheers to this group.
3 cheers.
3 cheers. Yay! Though the afternoon was hot and sultry, by evening the air turned cooler, with clouds hinting at rainfall any moment. With that, it's time to say goodbye from this quiet, lesser known corner of Delhi, where history still whispers through the stones. We hope you really enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed making it. If you did, please let us know by giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Delhi Fundos and press the bell icon to be notified of our new videos. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.